Cause me to hear thy loving kindness in the morning, for in thee do I trust. Cause me to know the way wherein I should walk, for I lift up my soul unto thee. Teach me to do thy will, for thou art my God. Thy spirit is good. Lead me into the land of uprightness. Psalms 143, 8 and 10. I will instruct thee and teach thee in the way which thou shalt go. I will guide thee with mine eye. Psalms 32, verse 8. Thus says the Lord thy Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel, I am the Lord thy God, which teacheth thee to profit, which leadeth thee by the way that thou shouldest go. O that thou had hearkened to my commandments, then had thy peace been as a river, and thy righteousness as the waves of the sea. Isaiah 48, 17 through 18. Great peace have they which love thy law, and nothing shall offend them. Psalms 119, verse 165.